How to register online banking nationwide. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can register for online banking on nationwide. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to register for online banking on nationwide, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to nationwide.co.uk and then I'll make sure to drop a link below. Once done, we're talking about registering for online banking, not creating a new bank account, but creating an online banking account for the already existing bank account so that it will be easy for us to make transfers online. Once we've done this and come to the website, tap the login option. Now, if you had created online banking account, you could tap on login, but we don't have that. We're trying to register, so we'll find the register for internet banking option over here. Once you tap on register for internet banking, here you can see it will give me what we need to set up online banking. Of course, your account number, debit card number or credit card number will work. And here you can see I want to register with you can select any option here. Current account, savings account. I'm just going to leave it at current account for example. And then from the bottom right, go on about tapping on the continue option. On the next page, you can enter your current account number, or the current account number is also going to be the 8-digit number that is on your debit card. Once you've done that, you can enter your sort code, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, the month and the year, your addresses, your postcode, and then you can see read out document as to how they use the information. You can do that. Tap on continue. On the next page, it will ask you to fill up other details such as creating a username and password, and then finishing up with your legal details in order to register online banking on nationwide. This way you can register online banking on nationwide. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.